Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Simple Maths with Meenu. Now important examples on the derivative using the first principle. Now we are given fx is equal to x sin x. Now first find out fx plus h. So fx plus h that is equal to x plus h sin x plus h. Now use the formula sin a plus b. So we get x plus h into sin x cos h plus cos x sin x. Now solve the brackets. So we get x sin x cos x plus x cos x sin h plus h sin x cos h plus h cos x sin h. Now solve it. Find fx plus h minus fx, that is equal to x sin x cos h plus x cos x sin h plus h sin x cos h plus h cos x sin h minus in bracket x sin x. Now collect the first and last term. So we get fx plus h minus fx, that is equal to x sin x in bracket cos h minus 1 plus x cos x sin h plus h in bracket sin x cos h plus cos x sin h. Now taking out minus 1 common, so we get in bracket minus x sin x into in bracket 1 minus cos x plus x cos x sin h plus h in bracket sin x cos h plus cos x sin h. Now f dash x, that is equal to limit h tends to 0 fx plus h minus fx over h. Now substituting the values of fx plus h minus fx, so we get that is equal to limit h tends to 0 in bracket minus x sin x in bracket 1 minus cos h plus x cos x sin h over x plus h in bracket sin x cos h plus cos x sin h. Now separates the terms. So we get f dash x, that is equal to limit s tends to 0 in bracket minus x sin x into 1 minus cos h over h plus limit s tends to 0 in bracket x cos x into sin h over h plus limit s tends to 0 h in bracket sin x cos h plus cos x sin h over h. Now use the formulas. So f dash x, that is equal to in bracket minus x sin x into limit s tends to 0 in bracket 1 minus cos h over h plus in bracket x cos x into limit s tends to 0 sin h over h plus s tends to 0 sin x cos h plus cos x sin h. Now multiply. Now rationalize. So we get f dash x is equal to minus x sin x into limit s tends to 0 1 minus cos h over h into 1 plus cos h over 1 plus cos h plus x cos x into 1. Now use limit theta tends to 0 sin theta over theta, that goes to 1, and next step put h is equal to 0. So plus sin x into cos 0 plus cos x into sin 0. Sin 0 goes to 0, cos 0 goes to 1. So f dash x, that will be equal to in bracket minus x sin x into limit s tends to 0. Now use 1 minus cos square h, that is equal to sin square h over h 1 plus cos h plus x cos x and plus sin x into 1 and plus cos x into 0. Solve it. F dash x, that is equal to minus x sin x into limit s tends to 0 sin h over h into sin h over 1 plus cos h plus x cos x plus sin x plus 0. Now limit s tends to 0 sin h over h again goes to 1 and here put h is equal to 0. So we get minus x sin x into 1 into minus sin 0 over 1 plus cos 0 and plus x cos x and plus sin x. that goes to 0 and this term all goes to 0. So we left with x cos x plus sin x. That's all. Thank you. See you in the next video.